Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a Polestar video update. I've got some leaked images of the Polestar 4, so I want to share those with you guys and then give you guys some details on it. After that, we'll take a look at the chart and I'll show you guys my technical analysis and where I see the price possibly heading. So if you guys enjoy these videos, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's quickly take a look at the price action for today. We closed at $5.84, up 15 cents or 2.64% for the day. Now volume is going to be below average. Our average volume is 2.7 and today's volume was only about 1.6 million. On the bright side though, we did have a great day. We closed towards the high of the day. 596 is the high and we closed at 584. So that's a quick rundown of the price action today. Let's go ahead and shift over to today's news and the leaked images. Polestar 4 apparently is spotted in China as the Tesla Y Model Y challenger or competitor. As you guys know, Tesla has two different SUVs. They've got the larger SUV and then they've got the Model Y. And so Polestar is actually doing similar routes with that. They've got the Polestar 3 on the way. It's going to be the more luxury, bigger SUV, more roomy, and it's also going to be more expensive. But then they're also going to be doing a Polestar 4, and that's going to be like a SUV coupe or like a sportier version of the P3. And that's going to also be a little less expensive, a smaller price tag. And so really just following behind Tesla's model lineup. But let's go ahead and get a look at these snapshots that came out of Polestar 4. After several months of anticipation, Polestar unveiled its first SUV in October, Polestar 3, and that's really going to solidify their position in the SUV market. But now we've got leaked images of the Polestar 4. This brings us to the Polestar 4, the company's second electric SUV that will compete below the Polestar 3's starting price. It will be slightly smaller, lower to the ground, and resembles a bit more of the coupe-style roofline. New spy photos from China claim to be the first images of the Polestar 4 spotted out in the road. They say that these photos taken was the SUV part of a convoy along a Lotus Type 133 and other Geely electric models. Although it's just a test vehicle, according to the photographer, you can see the vehicle's unique build that resembles a smaller Polestar 3 with a coupe-like or roof-type roofline. Polestar looks to challenge the Model Y with an expected price range of around $55K, slated to launch later this year. In addition, he says that the Polestar 4 says it resembles a wheelbase and chassis similar to that of the Zeekr 001, but has a slightly shorter overall length, or the Zeekr 001 features a length of 4970 millimeters for comparison. So you can actually click on these images here, and I've already got these pulled up. So not too much you can actually figure out because of the fabric covering. It really does hide all the design features and curves, but you can tell that it does have the split door headlights similar to the concept precept. And then of course it's got the rear mirrors and all the different sensors, what it looks like. From the other image though, you can get a better idea of the overall outline of the vehicle and the chassis. So it does look more of a sharper coupe-like roofline here, and it does look lower to the ground as well. So this one actually looks like more of a hatchback. So this design definitely is going to be a lot slimmer and smaller than the P3. You can see it's parked next to some of the other vehicles with the camouflage, so that does tell us that this is part of a test or design prototype. So this will probably not be the final design. But overall, I think this is a pretty cool leak that we got from today. I do have some more details to share with you guys, and this is a different article, but the Polestar 4 seen in China for the first time, pure electric SUV coupe. It's based on the PMA platform that stays closely to the Geely's SEA architecture. It's a test production that can start before March this year in Hangzhou Bay, Ningbo. So the Polestar 4 will be four-wheel drive and up to 600 kilometers of range. And I did do the conversion from kilometers to miles, and I think it's about 370, a little over that. So a decent range of charge for the P4. I also did read a little bit about some documents that was associated with this, and it looks like they are going to be starting production March of this year. There is confusion with the code name of this vehicle. In some sources it is known as P419 and others as P417. Maybe these are two versions of the Polestar 4 or two different vehicles, but let's see what we know about them. If we start with the P419, according to a tender notice from Geely, its test production will start in China before March 2023. The exact location of the production is a Zeekr plant located in Ningbo, and currently this factory undergoes the production lines upgrades that will be finished on February 1st, so it is possible that the P4 will be manufactured alongside other Zeekr vehicles. On the other hand, we have the P417. We discovered a LinkedIn account of one of the Geely's employees that has mentioned it. An employee pointed out that he works on the supply project for Volvo V216 and Polestar P417. Polestar 4 stands on the PMA platform, which is close to the Geely C architecture. According to a previous information about this EV, it will be all-wheel drive and have 600 kilometers of range. It is considered as a competitor to Tesla Y, so the price range in China would be around 259,900 to about 359,900 RMBs, or about 38,000 to about 53,000 US dollars. As its test production will reportedly start before March, we have a chance to see the production version of the P4 this year. More on the CV as we get it. So that is most of the details. Let me know what you guys think of these leaked images. Let me know what you guys think of some of these specs. It looks like it's going to be around 38,000 to 53,000 US dollars, and then the mileage is about 370 miles of range. And it will be all built on the PMA platform that is resilient to the C architecture. Alright guys, let's move over to the chart. I'm going to give you guys my technical breakdown and opinion on the chart and price action. So back in October and November, we consolidated on a consolidation phase, broke to the upside, filled the gap. Now we are making higher lows as we consolidate to the upside. Now our biggest resistance is going to be around the $6 range. We've had very difficult time getting above it. You can see back in September we got rejected there. But on the opposite case, this has also been a very good support. As we were trying to the breakdown, it was not easy for the bears to break us underneath 6. And then now most recently, we've been trying to the upside and we got rejected on our first attempt. And it looks like possibly we might go a second attempt to try to break $6. So clearing all that out of the way, it does look like $6 is going to be our major resistance. Once we break above 6, our next resistance is not until almost $7. So we do have some room from 6 all the way to 7 for upside there. I am leaning slightly more bullish based on some of the technicals that are forming. Obviously we have this ascending support, so this could be forming an ascending triangle. As you can see, we are consolidating right now. Retouch $6, maybe reject, come back to the support, and eventually we'll have a breakout possibly early February. If the chart is not an ascending triangle, this could also be a pennant. As you can see, we have lower highs there, also have the ascending support here. So this could be a pennant in the making, but similarly, we would be looking for a break to the upside or downside early February. The main thing for me, I'll definitely be watching the ascending support. If we break that, we'll most likely be coming down for 470, 480 and filling the gap at this range. To the upside, obviously the reclaim of $6 would be very bullish, and then we could obviously go all the way up to almost $7. Overall, if the market stays strong, I am going to be leaning slightly more bullish. We have bullish momentum on the chart. The technicals look good. And also back in December, we did have shares unlocked. And ever since that, we haven't really seen many sells. We had this recent drop, but there's a lot of strength in the price. But you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below and drop a price target for the end of 2023 for Polestar. I hope you guys found value in today's video, and if you did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. You guys have a great day, and as always, keep moving forward. Peace.